Today I'm showing you 10 amazing shortcuts for iPhone that you need to use right now. From quickly calling somebody with your preferred messenger, automatically turning on and off the VPN depending on the app you open, to opening Spotify or playing your preferred playlist in Apple Music when you connect to a custom Bluetooth device or a custom Apple CarPlay device. By the way, you'll need the shortcuts and the Actions app installed on your iPhone to get all the shortcuts running perfectly. The first shortcut is going to allow you to call somebody quickly with your preferred messenger. To start, we're going to search for a menu and then add choose from menu, delete 1 and 2, which is the default one. Then click on add new item and add how many people that you want to call quickly as you wish. After that, the contacts that you have added, it's going to show up right about here. And the next thing that we want to do is to select a messaging platform that we like to call. So I'm going to search for menu again and add the same thing, which is choose from menu, and make sure to add it under both of the contacts. And as I have to, I'm going to search for menu again and add the action but under another contact. Then I'm going to delete 1 and 2. I'm going to click on add a new item and I'm going to add a messaging platform. I'm going to add phone, which is going to use my SIM card. The next thing that I'm going to add is Viber, and I'll suggest you to do the same thing for other contacts as well. After that, the messaging platforms that you have added is going to show you under that menu, and depending on the messaging platform that you are using, there will be a native shortcut that is going to call somebody. For me, I've added Viber, and fortunately Viber supports directly calling somebody within my contacts, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a call function or a call action, then I'm going to put it under Viber. And of course, if you have a different messaging platform like WhatsApp for example, then it will be different for you. Then I recommend doing the same thing for other contacts and other messaging platforms as well. This shortcut is just amazing. When I run this shortcut, it allows me to enter any text or get the text from the clipboard. Let's just select enter text for this example. Then I could type in any text that I would like to translate to. Let's say hello. We're going to click on done, and now I can select the language that I would like to translate to. And of course, you can edit this in the shortcut. I'm going to select Burmese for this example, and in just a few seconds, it's going to show you the translated text. After that, I could copy that text to the clipboard or share it with someone else. This shortcut utilizes Google Translate to translate the text, and I'll make sure to leave the original creator and the shortcut link down below in the video description. To build the Auto Music Player shortcut, we're going to first start off by searching for an action called Set Cellular Data. And we're going to click on Set Cellular Data, and we're going to turn cellular data. After that, we're going to search for Open App, add that, and select your music streaming service, which for me is going to be Spotify. And that's really it. It's a really simple shortcut. And the other optional thing that I did when I'm demonstrating the shortcut is to add a menu and ask if I have bought a package or not. Now let's see the shortcut in action. Finally, it gave me a notification, and I'll click on it. So I'm gonna click on run, and it's going to make sure that I've bought a package. I'm just going to say yes, I'm sure. And in a few seconds, it's going to open up Spotify. And if I open up the control center real quick, the cellular data is also turned on. What an amazing lifesaver shortcut. Hello, this is Future Me here, and I realized that you still need to create an automation, so I'm going to show you how. And you just need to exit out of the shortcut and click on this automation button right here. By the way, sorry for the bad video and audio quality. And you're going to click on plus, this plus icon right here, and click on create a personal automation. We're going to scroll down until we see Bluetooth. Click on that and click on choose under Bluetooth device. And of course, you'll need to choose a Bluetooth device that is in your car. I'm going to select car kit, and I'm going to click on done. I'm going to click on next, and we're going to click on add an action, search for an action called run shortcut, and select the shortcut that you have added, which is open up right here, and click on done. That's basically it, and that's how I can automate that. Shortcut is from Apple, and it essentially allows you to browse top news from different news websites, for example BBC. Another shortcut is called share your Wi-Fi, and when you run it, you will need to enter your Wi-Fi name. Most of the time it will automatically fetch that Wi-Fi name from your connected Wi-Fi network. After that, you can click on done, and then you'll need to type in the password. I'm just going to type in random letters because I don't care about that, and this is not my actual Wi-Fi password. But if you are using it not for a video, then you will need to type in your actual Wi-Fi password to get it working. And just click on done, and in a few seconds it's going to generate a QR code, and that QR code can be used for accessing your Wi-Fi network. And this is especially useful if you want your guests to use your Wi-Fi but don't want to share your Wi-Fi password. Listen, we all been there. We arrived home from school and forgot to do our homework. So this shortcut is a lifesaver. When you run the shortcut, it's going to turn on a specific focus mode, let's say school. And of course, you can change this however you like in the shortcut settings. Get everything from the homework list from reminders and shows everything that you need to do. Again, I won't show you how to build it, and I'll just leave the link and the original creator in the video description. If your battery is at 20% and even turning on low power mode doesn't help but drain the battery even more, then try this shortcut out. It's called ultra low power mode. When you run it, you can select if you want to turn on ultra low power mode with network or without network. Let's select the first option, and it lowers down the brightness, reduce transparency, reduce motion, and turns on airplane mode so that you can save your battery power. The second option is basically the same, but it doesn't turn on airplane mode so that you can receive calls. And that one is going to turn ultra low power mode off. The download link will be in the description as well as the original creator. Moving on to the SIM menu shortcut. When you run, it's going to allow you to call a specific number that checks the current balance in your SIM card, and also allows you to open up your carrier service app. Building the shortcut is relatively easy, and here's how you can do it. This next shortcut is very simple. It only has one action, and that action is going to open up the scanning app of choice. To me, I've set it to B flat, and even though it's a really simple shortcut, still very effective. Last but not least is the VPN automation. It's pretty simple though. Open up the Shortcuts app and click on New Automation. Roll down to the very bottom until you see App. Make sure to select is open and select Run after confirmation if it is the first time that you're building it. But after you've run it for the first time, then you can leave this off so that it's more of an automation. Click on Choose next to Apps and basically select the apps that requires a VPN in your country. To me, it's going to be Facebook, Messenger, Threads, and Instagram. Click on Done, click on Next, click on Create New Blank Automation, click on Add Action, search for something called Set VPN, and click on Set VPN. Then make sure that it says Connect to, click on VPN, and make sure to select the VPN app of choice. To me, it's going to be 1.1.1.1. After that, you can click on Done, and the automation for turning on the VPN is ready. But we still need to turn the VPN on. So click on the plus button, scroll down again, click on App, but this time choose is closed. After that, you can choose the same apps that you have chosen before. Click on Done, and click on Next. Click on New Blank Automation, click on Add Action, connection, search for set VPN, but this time select disconnect through your VPN app. Click on done and the automation is ready. Now let's see the shortcut in action. Right now the VPN is currently turned off on my iPhone, but if I open up Instagram, which is an app that requires a VPN in my country, it's going to connect to a VPN. Works amazing. And I can exit out of Instagram, and if I check back to Control Center, as you can see, the VPN is turned off. That's it for the video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.